we'll get started. Okay. So the meat of what we want to talk about today is really going further into linear functions and being able to, like, certainly, with certainty, say this is the intercept, this is the slope, kind of diagramming stuff, okay? So that's what 32 is asking us to do. They're going to give us a graph on number 32. Copy this down in your notes and let's get started. If you got something else, technology, cell phone, something like that, please go ahead and who printed this for you? Oh, Miss Denson. Okay, all right. All right. So we've got a start here on our graph. Antonio, you got this, bud. Pick your head up, man. We got this. All right, we're gonna start with the graph here, guys. Come back together and label your graph 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Once you get 5 and 5 done onto your graph, it's time to make our coordinate points. We're going to go up to 1, 4. And we're going to go down to -2, 0. All right, guys, put your cell phones away if you got those out, because we know that we just have a few days left together before we get into our STAAR stuff. You don't want to be doing anything right now, but just putting maximum focus into what we've got going on here. Put your calculator down and just draw a straight line. That's all we're going to do here. All right. Now, this equation, literally, the question just says, what is the coordinate point of the y-intercept? What is the coordinate point of the y-intercept? All right. First of all, where is the y-intercept, Marlon? Is it at 0.1 or is it 0.2? Where's the y-intercept here? ¿Es arriba o abajo? Abajo, muy bien. Y punto 2. Here's your y-intercept. Muy bien. Y-intercept. Good. So now all we need is the coordinate point, right? Karen, what's the coordinate point of this here y-intercept that we got? Okay, so I need to write it. Okay, I can do that. Like that? Cool. You are definitely not the only one that's done that. Something has been going on at some of the other grades, and like a bunch of students switch their X and Y's. It's the alphabet. It's literally the alphabet, X, Y, Z. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Run a jump. That's a good one. Okay. 33. I know. We're trying to get to 40 today. It's a monster day today, only because yesterday was pretty unfocused. We didn't get through many problems, and we couldn't record it. So. What are you gonna do, man? What are you gonna do? No, this is the one from last spring. The one that we got for this December is gonna be a different test. It's gonna be really, obviously it's gonna be really close. You are killing me. Because I don't want them to set their bar that low. I want them to set their bar up here. Right. It's because that's just where we're at as a class. All right, 33, guys. Yes. Thank you. 33, guys. All right. We got a glacier. So draw on your glacier. Here's a little water. Here's your glacier. And what we know right now is that the water temperature is going up. Because grados Fahrenheit are going up, we know that the actual ice amount is going down. The glaciers melt. All right, this glacier right now has a thickness of 450 meters. All right, so draw a little box kind of on your glacier and put 450 across. 450 meters. And right now, this planet, the way that we are warming up, it is causing our ice to melt. We are melting at 0.06 meters per day. Right? So the little scientist girl goes out there, she's got her little tape measure, and every day it's just getting smaller and smaller. Okay? So what they're asking us to do in this kind of equation is, what is this little scientist, what is her equation for this glacier? So she's going to have to, at some point, give that information over to somebody who needs to do something with it. This could be a manager, this could be a boss, she could be briefing the President of the United States, who needs to know how fast the ice caps are melting. And she's going to ask her, no, like, when's the day? When to the day, when are we in big trouble? Because that's when I need to start planning for my people. So we need to figure out, like, okay, let's project out when we are really going to be in a problem. When we're going to have enough melting going on that all of a sudden all of our beaches and Galveston and all that stuff kind of goes underwater. We kind of want to know about that stuff before it happens. So we need to develop this equation. I was going to say y equals, right? That's how our equations always start. All right, so Mr. Antonio, what's the amount of ice? How big is your glacier today? What did we start with? We started with 450. Good. So let's put that on there. We know for a fact that that's how big the ice is. Now, Jenny, is our ice getting bigger or is our ice getting smaller here? It's getting smaller. So let's use a minus sign for smaller. All right, how fast, though, is it melting off? Giselle, how fast are we going? Yeah, 0.06 meters per day. So minus 0.06 per day. Thank you. So what is the per mean again? X. Esta palabra aquí dice X. Cada día. Todos los días. Okay, so 0.06 por X aquí. Pone X aquí. Porque es per day. Which one? Oh, okay. All right, now check this out. This is how they're going to do you in like next week when you take the test. This is exactly how it's going to be. Right, 33. We all felt really comfortable with that, right? We can write this equation all day long. 450 minus 0.06, got it. No problem. Look what happens on 34, though. The very next question. 34. 34, it says, what is the solution? Solve. 0 equals 1/3 x squared minus 3. That's the very next question. Exactly, right? This is how they're going to do you next Tuesday. You're going to go right in for something that's like 33, got this. We're melting glaciers, things are happening, and then all of a sudden they give you something that you don't know, right? Now, what is our secret weapon, though, when we don't know what the equation is going to look like, or we don't know what the graph's going to look like? What's our master? There it is. He's got it. He's got it. Yeah, you guys, don't forget your best friend. Your best friend is going to help you every single problem in the STAAR test. There is now. There is now. State of Texas. So you got friends. That's too good, friends. That's too good. Too good. Not for the STAAR test. All right. Okay, so right here. No, come on. All right. So come back to your calculator. Put this equation in. Come on over here. Okay. Put your equation into y equals. All right. So we're gonna have 1 sobre 3 por x elevado a 2. Okay. Y luego menos 3. And then put minus 3 on the very end. So here's your 1/3 in paréntesis. Y luego pone x elevado a 2. And then minus 3. All right, let's take a look at this graph's particular selfie. Go into graph. And there it is. It's a great selfie. You can see a nice big smile. But it kind of sucks because we can't see any of the eyes. So, no, we gotta delete it. Whatever your equation.
Does that go up to infinity?
What?
Does that go up to infinity? Crap.
Where? Here, take this. All right, watch it. Okay. 1 sobre 3. X está aquí. Elevado a 2 está aquí. Then, plus 2. Go on the graph.
Oh.
Then make me a little happy face for you. It's all good. Oh, you said minus 3 on that. Yeah, take that one. I'll fix it. Okay. Perfect. Who else? Guys. Whose STAAR test are you taking in a few days? Is it mine or is it yours?
Mine.
It is yours.
Yeah.
So keep moving. Just because I'm helping a student doesn't.
What am I gonna do?
Just because I'm helping a student doesn't mean you stop. Go.
What am I gonna do?
Oh, I know. What's your story?
If I have to, are they gonna be?
The only thing they're gonna make you do, I don't know, this entire class is that's how I'm giving you credit.
I thought it was like the computer.
Maybe one day you take it.
Yeah, I don't want to be like.
No, you want me
I'll
for sure.
sleep on this.
Okay, I'm not gonna give you a computer then. Okay, awesome.
Yeah, because
Mike, is it by the end?
you think they'll give me like credit for the test that I took last
I
time?
do. My tutor is that you get to take a test, and then at the end, we're all running. We don't have any more algebra curriculum, so we can actually do math lab. And it'll be a much more hands-on. We'll be outside, running outside, doing all the things outside for like the last part of December, while everybody else has to be inside. So that's I want to be able to have your credit Okay. All right, so we got this. Yes, we're on happy base. Filming. Awesome. Okay. So what we're going to need to do is solve this. Resuelve esta ecuación. Tenemos dos soluciones. We have two solutions. Look at your graph again. Look at your graph again, guys. We have two solutions. You need to see this part. We have two solutions. On the x-axis, son intercepts. Son aquí y aquí. There we go. Okay, so come on over here. Go abajo. Al lado. Ya. Aquí en 3. Y tenemos otra solución aquí en negativo 3. 3 y negativo 3. Supone al lado, negativo 3 y positivo 3.
Right.
Perfect. Perfect. Y equals 0. Solución. Cuando y igual a 0, x igual a negative 3. Alright guys, so come back. What was one solution that you found, Miss Molina? What was one solution that you found? When y is 0, what will x equal? X equals positive 3. Very good. What was the other solution that you found, Miss Karen? Where was the other one? X equals positive 3, Miss Karen? And after x equals positive 3, Miss Karen, what's the other one? The other solution on your calculator. We've been looking on your quadratic, and we're right on the x-axis. So we're trying to figure out where our line is crossing the x-axis. Because look what happens. Y is 0. And when y is 0, that's all they want to know. That's all they want to know. What is x equal when y is 0? Negative 3. Good. So we have negative 3 and positive 3. Son dos soluciones. Guys, come back together. Come back together. Okay. 2 solutions here. Because your graph comes up at negative 3 and positive 3. Like this. So sketch your graph. Put in your solutions. Porque cuando x igual 3, y igual 0. 0. Donde x igual negativo 3, y igual 0 también. Son dos. Okay? All right. We got, I think, this one last one, and then we take a break, yeah? We said 35? 40. I know, man. I know, it's so fast, because we're finally actually doing, like, a lot of work. Okay. You're like, oh, God. What are you doing? Oh, my God, you're killing me. Look behind you. Look what you started. Look what you started. Now everybody's starting to put up. Stop. Oh. All right, 35. Here we go. We're going to say that you have a warehouse. And in your warehouse, you have a product. In this warehouse. Guys. All right, we're in a warehouse. We have a product. And this product is stacked in sort of a mountainous shape. This is going to get so much worse before it gets better. This product is shaped in a mountainous shape. And it is decreasing. It is going down. It is decreasing at a rate of 3% per year. So you are selling product out of the warehouse at a rate of 3% per year, and it is decreasing this pile. All right. So, all right. So how much did you start out with? You originally started out with 78,000 cubic yards. It's like, whoa! Whoa, the STAAR test just got way better. Now we can figure this out. Okay, all right. There's like some real business questions on there. Okay, so, all right, guys, come back together. I know we're having fun, and that's the point of STAAR. At some point, it needs to actually be fun enough for us to do. So, Jose, Mauricio, come on back. Okay, we need the equation, right? This is just like 33. Write the equation. All right. Now, the reason why I'm having us do it this way, guys, I need your attention for the last 3 minutes of class. This is very, very important. The reason why I'm having to do it this way is because we need to make a huge distinction in class. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Huge. We're not going to solve it out, but I need you to finish this out. Look, right here. This equation is going to be different. Write your boxes, please. Like this. We're going to have to use this equation because, whoa, stop. Y'all, all four of y'all will be the last to leave. I'm in the middle of talking right now. We have 5 days to do our STAAR stuff. Come on. Guys, we have 5 days to do the STAAR stuff, and I would be able to get through it. We'd be done by now if y'all would be quiet for a second and let me finish. Okay. Because on this one, we are using percent. You have to use this equation. But back on the glacier, we were not using percent, so you had to use linear. This is a linear versus a geometric equation. They are very different, and if you get them confused, Algebra 1, Algebra 2 will be lost to you. Don't do that. These are 33 and 35 are very different. Have a great rest of the day. Thank you. Calculators over there, journals over there. Have an awesome rest of the day. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Work hard in your STAAR classes. I know, I see you over there, ladies. I see you. Bye, girls. Thank you. Have a great rest of the day, gentlemen. Take care.